Hello, stormwater designers. Welcome back to Clear Creek Solutions stormwater education videos and instructional videos. And today we're going to go over how to install EPA SWM on your machine. And we're starting a new series on how to use EPA SWM and how to do some basic modeling with it. So the first thing we're going to do is find out where we need to download it, how to install it, and how to get it running on your machine. So let's go to Google here. It's a pretty simple process. And we're going to look for EPA SWM. So EPA SWM right here. You can see the first thing that pops up is EPA.gov, the Stormwater Management Model, SWM US EPA. This is the link that we're going to want to download it at here. Let's click that. You can read some information on it here, but the Stormwater Management Model helps predict runoff quantity and quality from drainage systems. And it's used throughout the world for planning, analysis, and design related to stormwater runoff, combined and sanitary sewers, and other drainage systems. So right here, you can view the GitHub site for the open source project. But what we want to do is we want to go down here and we want to download it directly here. So we've got the date, and they have a new update here. The self-extracting installation program for SWM 5.21. They got 32-bit and 64-bit. I'm going to download this one here. So let's click that one. You can also download for some of the updates and look at the reference manual and the user's manual here. We'll open up that later. So let's download the 64-bit here. I'm going to click that. That's going to begin downloading. It should be a pretty quick download. If I go to my downloads tab here, I can view it right there. And if you just double click, it'll run a quick installer package. I already have the software installed. So no reason for me to do this here. I'm going to cancel that. But all you want to do is finish the installer, and you'll get EPA SWM installed on your machine. If you want to view the user's manual, you can go here, SWM 5.2 user's manual. Let's open that up. And you can view the entire SWM user's manual. And this is the revised February 2022 updated version. And this has all the information you need to know on EPA SWM, although it's not necessarily a step-by-step teaching guide on how to use it, but it gives you all the information about the software, some of its capabilities, and things like that. So you can view the user's manual there. What I'm going to do is, and in my search bar, and I'm on Windows 11, by the way, I'm going to type in SWM. I have EPA SWM 5.2 installed. I'm going to click that. And so it gives me a quick pop-up here, basic tutorial, user's guide. So let's click that. See here, there's a bit of a basic tutorial there. That'll take you through some of the steps of setting up an example study area. And we're going to go through these tutorials here later. But if we double click, now we have the software open. We have it running. So that's how to install. That's part one. That's how to install and open up EPA SWM 5.2. And then we're going to go through some of their basic tutorials and get started with using it. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time.